How to delete your account in Perplexity AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see the profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So now, we in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and settings. Now, slowly scroll down to the bottom part. Here on the bottom, at the last option, there is delete account. Simply tap on delete account. Now make sure you want to remove your account. So this will completely wipe out all the history, all the searches and the queries that you have done in this AI. Here on the bottom, simply tap your username and at last tap on delete account. So this will remove your account easily. If you want to log in again, you must use another account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.